The First Christmas. Retold by Eliane, Pinheiro and Maura Hurley. Around the month of December, children like to imagine what happened on the very first Christmas ever, even before Santa Claus. I know the story well, for I was watching it all from above, in the dark sky, on the evening of December 24th. Oh, so many years ago. I am the Star of Bethlehem. I was requested by angels to shine brighter than all the other stars that night, to tell the whole world that a very special child had been born to spread goodwill and peace. And this is the story of the first Christmas. All was quiet that night as I watched the three kings traveling slowly on camelback through desert lands. Just then I beamed brightly as the angels had told me to. The kings noticed me in the east. They couldn't resist my brilliant beckoning. Perhaps they had heard that a star like me was going to show the way to the Son of God. Traveling through the night, the kings met shepherds watching over their flock. "We are following that incredibly beautiful star there in the east to find the place where the Son of God has just been born." From there, they all traveled together, watching me, the brightest star in the sky. Finally, they arrived at a small town called Bethlehem, and saw that I was gleaming radiantly above a barnyard of an inn. All was quiet and peaceful. Their caravan entered the barnyard to see the tender little baby lying in a simple manger fluffed with hay. Next to the baby were Mary and Joseph, his mother and father, and many farm animals. The kings offered the precious gifts they'd carried from afar for baby Jesus: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The shepherds kneeled on the ground to pray. They were grateful for the gift of love and the purity the baby brought with him. Many people offered gifts after that. I suppose this is why on Christmas Day, even now, people around the world enjoy offering gifts as a sign of love and hope. And they try their best to bring happiness to others, as Jesus did all his life. Now, I'd like to wish you a holiday season that shines as bright as the Star of Bethlehem.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.